What's up? Rob Shepard here again. Got a quick video for you. 5 AI tools every student should know about. And I've got some great tools here for you. If you wait to the end, I've got a couple of extra tools that I want to tell you about, little bonus tools that I think you'll really like, that if you're a student, you really can't do without. And so let's get right into the video. The first thing I want you to notice here is ChatGPT. And now all of these tools I have linked here on the Realty Banker site here under tools, writing tools. I've got some SEO tools and some other tools here, but they're all linked here on realtybanker.com. ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT is indispensable. They have this ChatGPT 4. They've got this paid version with plugins, and so this thing will do a lot. But just the basic ChatGPT will do wonders for you if you're a student. Now you can go in here and make outlines for work, for papers, for essays. You can go in and even have this to begin to fill in for writing the paper itself. It will write and do in-text citations. Now you have to be careful with ChatGPT because this program has a tendency to embellish, if you will. It has a tendency while writing these papers. Right now it's in its new form, and so it will begin to make things up or to create papers from just a creative place, instead of actually using valid resources. And so you may tell it to use valid resources, but you better check to make sure that these citations that it's giving you are valid. What I would do is be careful to use this program for creative purposes. Now the second thing I want you to see, and what I want you to use, is Baird. If you're a student and you need AI tools to do your work, Baird is indispensable. Baird will do some things now that ChatGPT will not do. One of the things that I like that Baird will do is it will interact with the World Wide Web. And so it'll interact with websites, it'll interact with things that are online, and so you can ask it questions about things that are online and you can get answers there. And so it'll do a lot more in that area, and it'll do some other things. There are great resources to get information about the difference between ChatGPT and Baird, and so I recommend that you look into that. Now the next tool that I recommend is ChatPDF. Now again, ChatGPT and ChatGPT 4 and these plugins will let you upload things to ChatGPT that you can search through and ask questions about and create essays and papers from. But now ChatPDF is a free AI tool that will do that very same thing, and so you can upload papers to ChatPDF, and that will make them searchable, and you can ask questions. It's a chat bot type format, so you can ask questions and you can create papers, you can answer questions, you can do all sorts of work with ChatPDF. Highly recommended. The next tool that I want to tell you about is Humata AI, and it is very similar to ChatPDF. It is another tool that you can upload files to and ask questions. Now I've used both of these tools. I like ChatPDF. I like Humata. I think perhaps Humata might be just a little bit faster, a little bit more developed than ChatPDF, but I like both of these tools and I've used both of them, and I highly encourage you to take advantage of both of these tools. Humata AI is a tremendous tool. Now, when you're writing with GPT, when you're writing with Baird, when you're writing with ChatPDF and Humata, you're going to write and create things that are detectable as AI. And so if you're a student, you don't want to go through one of these checks and somebody say, well, that was just 100% written by AI. And so the next tool I want to tell you about is just an AI writing detector, writer.com. Writer.com is an AI detection tool. It'll let you go in here and check portions of what you've written and see if it was written by AI. Let's just take a paragraph here and we'll throw that in from a story that I had ChatPDF or ChatGPT write for me, and we'll throw this in here, and it'll give you an idea about what I'm talking about. Just get it to analyze the text, and so you've got 8% human generated. Now there are prompts that you can use to get these other tools to change this format up, to use synonyms and rewrite so that it appears to be more human. And so I advise you to look into that. The next tool that I recommend, we looked at ChatGPT, we looked at Baird, we looked at ChatPDF, Umata, and the AI writing detector at writer.com. But now let's get into this bonus tool. This bonus tool I want to tell you about is Quillbot. Now Quillbot, what that will do is perhaps you've got something that is written by ChatGPT, and it's got a low human generated content count here. Well, you can throw this in Quillbot and you can have it paraphrase it for you, and it will make it appear to be written by humans. And so it's something that I highly recommend if you're writing for academia. And so we went from 8% to 91%, and you can even improve on that. And so Quillbot, again, some of these other writing tools can emulate what Quillbot will do with the right prompt, but Quillbot is an irreplaceable tool. I highly recommend Quillbot, and Quillbot will do a lot of different things. It also has a Chrome extension. I think it's got a Word extension, plagiarism checker, grammar checker, and so this thing will do a lot of different things. Finally, if you are a student, I recommend that you have Canva. Now Canva, the good thing about Canva is Canva offers a pro version for students and teachers that's free. And so you can go on and you can go on YouTube and you can look up videos how to activate Canva Pro for students and teachers for free, and you get access to all of these pro features for free. And as a student, somebody that's doing presentations, somebody that's working constantly to do top-notch work, Canva is just the way to go. You can't hardly beat the functionality of this tool. It is just tremendous. Now I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Right now I'd like to ask you, what AI tools are you using as a student? Can you give me some examples of some tools that perhaps I'm missing out on, and something that would improve students' lives, or something that I'm missing? I'd love to know what you're using. Also, we want to encourage you to please subscribe. We appreciate all of your input. And if you'd like to subscribe, we'll make sure that we put out some new content for you. And I hope you got some benefit from this. Thank you for tuning in.